Cozumel bowling at the Cabana Club with the coconut.
Oh, Betsy! Woo! How many did I get, Kay? How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a spot. That's that. Woo! Take them out. Take them out.
So we followed the instructions. It's appropriately for 10. This is our lane. Those are the coconuts. These are the pins. This is Cabana Beach Club inside Chankanaab.
I think this is a lucky coconut. 3 more. 3 more. Look out. She really throws it.
This could be dangerous. Betsy's on it.
She's got this.
She's gonna roll. She got nothing. She got nothing.
Miss these other 3. I want to have roll. I gotta set them up. Okay. No, your turn. I know I got to set them up.
So there's some rules that I'm not sure about.
That was a good roll, Betsy. Well, I tried.
So if you want a fun time, come to Cabana Beach Club. This is actually, it's a very peaceful place. These are free. If you enter, you can use your parks card, or you can pay for the cabana, which is $20 is all for the cabana, the private cabana. And here goes Kay. So we're just doing a live from Cabana Beach in the backside of Chankanaab. What do you do on a Monday, right? Oh, she hit some. 2. You got 2.
I got 2. All right. Whose turn is it now? Okay, who's next?
I think Nancy is.
Come on, Nancy. Come on, Nancy. Okay, there's the line.
Coconut bowling at Cabana Beach by Betsy.
I take your shoes off. You're gonna trip.
She got nothing. She got nothing. You get another try? Pick up another coconut.
There you go. You want to try a different ball? Pick your weapon. Pick my weapon.
Here we go. Here we go. We got the supervisor. Oh, we had a little incident there. All right. Oh, she got 1. There's 10 pins.
Did she get 2? Who's next? Hi, Betsy. Who's next? You gotta be the pinner lady now. Let's go, baby. Oh, no, that's Nancy. Nancy, you go down and you retrieve that.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay, who's next? Carla. Carla.
Come on, baby, pick your coconut.
Pick your coconut.
I like old ones. I like young ones.
You didn't say old, it's a brown.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
Come on, baby cakes.
2 down.
First try. Oh, nice. You get 2 tries. See if we can pick up this. Nancy.
Seriously, this is a great place, guys. Beautiful cabanas.
Okay. Come on, Carla. Come on, Carla.
Private inside. Hammocks. You got hammocks and chairs. Entry into the Chankanaab Park. We did all inclusive, which is very inexpensive. It's only $55. Bob's supervising. Bob's doing Bob things.
Hey, Bob, I got 2 coconuts for you. All right.
Coconut bowling in Cozumel at the Cabana Club, which is inside Chankanaab.
So, yeah.
Bob is incredibly competitive, just so you know. So that's it. Cabana Beach Club.